Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into how to create a freelance system that actually works. As a remote freelancer, do you often feel like your day is a jumble of tasks, meetings, and emails? Are you struggling with scattered workdays, missed deadlines, and overwhelmed schedules? You might feel the weight of endless to-do lists and chaotic days. Or perhaps you find that without a clear map, the day slips away and productivity becomes inconsistent. This often happens because freelancers lack a clear system, relying instead on intuition or sporadic planning. You might be manually scrolling through your digital calendar or trying to capture ideas on sticky notes without a systematic approach. This leads to fragmented routines and missed opportunities for deep work. Many remote freelancers assume that just tracking hours worked is enough, but it's not the hours logged that matter. It's the quality of those hours. Without tracking, you're likely to undercharge, overwork, or even overlook lucrative projects because you simply don't have accurate data on how your time is spent. You might be working during times when your energy is low without realizing it, while peak creative hours might be unutilized. Without real data, how can you optimize your schedule? The common misbelief is that time management is a set of strict rules, rather than a dynamic process that adapts to your changing work life. This flawed mindset leaves unexamined gaps that cost you both time and energy. Without a solid system in place, your productivity and peace of mind can suffer dramatically. The inability to capture and process every idea quickly leads to missed opportunities and a cluttered mind. What if you could transform this chaos into clarity by building a personalized routine that works for you? A system isn't something you stumble upon. You build it step by step using proven methods. Imagine mapping your entire workday, breaking your day into clear segments, and analyzing your work patterns so you can see where your peak productivity lies. This foundational skill is fundamental for understanding your working patterns and setting the stage for further optimization. By understanding your workflow DNA, decoding your unique habits, and building a personalized blueprint, you uncover specific challenges and strengths to create an environment that amplifies your productivity. A truly effective system requires a dynamic approach that allows you to pivot without losing sight of your core objectives, maintaining productivity even when pressure mounts and conditions turn turbulent. It involves establishing feedback loops that integrate seamlessly with your daily workflow, recognizing which methods and habits drive success and which need adjustment. A successful system incorporates continuous self-evaluation, building a daily and weekly habit that provides constant feedback. It's about setting clear, measurable objectives that boost your productivity, enhance your focus, and balance your work with your life. It's about understanding how your attention flows throughout the day and leveraging your energy cycles. There's the value of knowing exactly where your time goes to clear mental clutter. A powerful system helps you identify problems and prioritize the areas that need improvement. It's not just about tools, though. Tools like time trackers, task managers, and collaboration apps are part of the picture. It's about a structured approach, like adopting GTD principles to capture, process, organize, review, and execute tasks efficiently. Creating a freelance system that actually works means understanding your natural rhythms, identifying distinct periods in your day when you are naturally most productive, and distinguishing between peak focus times and low-energy periods. It's about aligning intensive, creative tasks with your best hours, while scheduling routine tasks during naturally slower moments. This involves methods like tracking your energy levels throughout the day, analyzing and identifying patterns, and creating your optimized schedule. It means conducting a self-audit of habits, categorizing your distractions and internal blocks, and brainstorming solutions. A working system incorporates purposeful schedules by setting time blocks, prioritizing tasks, and including flexibility. It builds consistency through routine, establishing daily rituals and setting reminders. It involves environmental tuning, creating a dedicated work zone with cues, It's about adapting techniques like the Pomodoro technique to your unique freelance rhythm, setting customized work intervals, and scheduling meaningful breaks. It's about integrating learning and building resilience and flexibility to handle unexpected challenges. This isn't just about being busy. It's about being productive by making deliberate decisions based on clear data and a strong framework. It turns what might seem chaotic into a well-organized plan. If you're interested in a deeper dive into building this effective freelance system, there's a detailed video linked in the description below. To discover the step-by-step process and implement this transformative system for yourself, you can find the link to the full course in the description as well. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it for every freelancer you know, and subscribe for instant access to proven methods for efficient task management.